my metalworking skills are not good enough for making a bend here and a bend around the corner there. That's a compound that I am just not able to do. I am strictly a novice at best, but I will get this fender welded up and then sanded down and etching primer laid on. I'll get some primer to put over the rust first, then etching primer, and then probably a epoxy primer. I think I've got some of that somewhere. And hope I still got some of this blue paint and repaint this fender and get it back on. I'll try to record a little bit of the work on the fender here, mounting this piece and this piece and this piece in, but we'll just have to see how it goes. One last piece of metal to put in. Right here. And then I can put this on, throw a couple bolts in it, mark off all the holes.